Hello fellow enthusiasts of the exhaust industry and the automotive world. We have got another Defender in today for another exhaust enhancement, replacement, improvement they would say. That's our D250 there. We've mentioned that in a previous video. Diesel with a sound generator which basically makes it sound a lot more like a V8 really. Cruising around, it's got some great presence. But that's not the car we're here to talk about today. That's the car we're here to talk about today. It's another Defender V8. And a new face to the Quicksilver world. This is Rob, Super Rob. How are you?
I'm very good. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And as I always like to do with new people on the channel, is I throw them in at the deep end and we ask them questions and see how well they do. First thing is, why would I choose Quicksilver?
Quicksilver, I mean, we make bespoke exhaust. We have a reputation for creating some of the best exhausts for the best cars as well.
Yeah.
This exhaust is a perfect example of where we take, just this sort of, what a car that sounds pretty good and just makes it sound absolutely ballistic.
Yeah.
And you can obviously have the choice of, with the valve control, you've got it open or closed. You've got it closed, it's nice and burbly, but it's not too leery. Open it up and it just sounds like gunfire. It's absolutely incredible.
Well said, well said. So if I was to buy, if I just bought a V8 Defender, brand new off from a dealership, as it were, I could buy this and this wouldn't affect the car's warranty?
No, not at all. No, it won't affect the warranty, won't throw up any check engine lights or anything like that. Just a nice simple bolt-on fix. The Sound Architect module plugs into your 12 volts in the boot. And then it's just a simple case of loading up the app on your phone, connecting it up to Bluetooth, and then just hitting a simple button for open or for closed.
Yeah, well, that sounds pretty simple. And so
even I can work.
You really? We'll test you. We'll test you later. So okay, so you've got the system installed. For whatever reason, you're going to give this car to your sister-in-law or something like that. Yeah. Can you take this system easily off? Can you put the original back on?
It's literally, as you can see, Ben, our resident techie, is working on it. It's not too hard, is it, Ben?
No, it's super simple, and it just it goes on just as the OE comes off, so it doesn't affect the emissions equipment. It doesn't touch the catalyst. It's just catalyst back, and just plug and play really.
It's exactly what you want. It's no muss, no fuss, and it sounds absolutely fantastic.
And this is worth mentioning. This is Squire Editions. They do lots of cool stuff, don't they? Interiors and stuff. They do gun racks.
They do gun racks.
Gun racks and wine racks and driving, alcohol, guns, and driving. I think that's fabulous.
That's the perfect combination. That's what shooting parties made up of.
Yeah. Exactly. Well, I don't own a gun, let alone many guns.
That necessitate having a gun rack.
Yeah.
Very good reference.
There you go, another V8 Defender. You happy with that, Ben?
Super.
Is it a good fit?
Oh, it's a fucking fit, yeah.
Oh, that's
a joy to fit.
Excellent.
Yeah, joy to fit. Super easy. Fits well everywhere, and sounds the nuts. So
yeah. Okay. Click the link below. Get to our website. Find your local dealer, and they can fit one for you on your Defender. Rapidly becoming the cool kid at school. This exhaust is what everybody wants to be around. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we will see you all on the next one.